Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for honest and insightful reviews. Today, we have something truly special for all the yoga enthusiasts out there. The F.Life Aerial Yoga Hammock. This is not just any ordinary yoga hammock. It's one of the best aerial yoga hammocks available in the market. If you're looking to take your yoga practice to new heights, quite literally, stay tuned because we've got all the details you need. First off, let's talk about the key features that make this hammock stand out. It's made from certified quality materials and hardware. Inside the package, you'll find a 5.5-yard elastic aerial hammock, 2 steel screw-lock carabiners with a 25 kilonewtons rating, and 2 3-feet nylon reinforced daisy chains with a 23 kilonewtons rating. That means it's built to handle a dynamic load of up to 2,000 pounds. Talk about durability. What sets this apart is the high-quality material. It's made from 100% nylon tricot fabric, similar to what you'd find in Cirque du Soleil performances. This fabric is not only incredibly strong but also soft and comfortable. Plus, it's easy to clean, which is a big plus. It stretches widthwise, providing that cocoon-like comfort while ensuring the necessary strength for your aerial yoga practice. Setting it up is a breeze. The package includes step-by-step knot tying guides and beginner pose guides. Whether you're practicing in your yoga studio, at home, or even outdoors, this hammock has got you covered. And it all conveniently fits into the included carry bag, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Now, let's get into the benefits of aerial yoga. Aerial yoga uses a silk hammock to perform poses and stretches designed to increase flexibility, stretching, relaxation, and stress reduction. It's also known to provide additional sensory, cognitive, and health benefits. Some studies even suggest it can help with weight loss, balance, and strength. Just a quick note to our viewers: safety is paramount. Make sure to consult with a licensed contractor if you plan to rig this hammock from your ceiling, as it may vary depending on your overhead environment. So, there you have it, the F.Life Aerial Yoga Hammock, a top-quality, durable, and comfortable way to take your yoga practice to new heights. If you're ready to elevate your yoga experience, click the link in the description to get your own F.Life Aerial Yoga Hammock. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and stay tuned for our next video. Namaste, and see you soon.